Welcome to our roundup of the best front and rear dash cams you can buy right now. Whether you want crystal clear video evidence, smarter driving assistance, or peace of mind while parked, we have selected top-rated dash cams that combine video quality, reliability, and modern safety features. We will walk through real-world performance, camera clarity, night recording, storage, and smart functions to help you choose the right dash cam for your car. Make sure to check the description box for the latest deals and offers. Let's get started. The first on the list is the DDPI N5 dual dash cam. This dash cam is built for drivers who want premium recording quality and dependable performance every day. It features 4K ultra-high-definition front recording, dual-channel front and rear coverage, and advanced night vision processing to capture fine details like license plates and road signs in almost any lighting condition. The front camera delivers sharp footage, while the rear camera ensures full protection from behind, making it ideal for daily commuting or long highway drives. What really stands out is how consistent the footage looks during motion. Even on bumpy roads or sudden braking, the image remains stable and clear. The wide viewing angle covers multiple lanes, reducing blind spots, and the intelligent video compression helps save storage space without sacrificing quality. Overall, this dash cam delivers a balanced mix of clarity, reliability, and smart protection that makes it an excellent all-around choice for most drivers. Next up is the Redtiger front and rear dash cam. This model is extremely popular for drivers who want strong performance without complicated setup. It offers 4K front camera recording, wide-angle dual-lens coverage, and built-in GPS tracking that records speed and route data directly onto your videos. This makes it especially useful for insurance claims or reviewing trips later. Daytime footage looks crisp and detailed, while nighttime recording remains clear thanks to enhanced low-light processing. The rear camera captures important details even in dim conditions, which is impressive for its price range. The dash cam also supports loop recording and emergency locking, ensuring important clips are saved automatically during sudden impacts. With its easy-to-use interface and dependable recording, this model is a great option for drivers who want high-resolution video and useful driving data without spending time on complex settings. Overall, it delivers excellent value with dependable performance. Next, we have the MUBVR 4K triple camera dash. This dash cam is designed for drivers who want maximum coverage inside and outside the vehicle. It features triple camera recording for front, rear, and cabin, 4K front camera clarity, and infrared night vision for interior recording. This makes it especially useful for rideshare drivers, family vehicles, or anyone who wants extra security inside the car. The front camera captures sharp road details, while the interior camera clearly records passengers even in low-light conditions. The rear camera adds complete coverage, ensuring incidents from any angle are recorded. Video transitions between cameras are smooth, and audio recording remains clear without distortion. Parking mode provides round-the-clock protection by activating recording when motion is detected. Overall, this dash cam stands out for its all-around coverage and versatility, making it a strong choice for drivers who want full interior and exterior protection in one system. Next, we have the DDPI 4K Dashcam Z60 Pro. This model is built for drivers who prioritize premium build quality and advanced safety features. It comes with 4K ultra-clear front recording, intelligent driver assistance alerts, and high dynamic range imaging for balanced exposure in bright sunlight or dark roads. The footage remains sharp even during fast driving or sudden turns. The Smart Alert system provides lane departure and forward collision warnings, adding an extra layer of safety during long drives. Video files are stored efficiently, and the mobile app allows easy playback and downloading directly to your phone. The rear camera complements the front by capturing clear footage during reversing or rear-end incidents. Overall, this dash cam is ideal for drivers who want both high-end video quality and smart driving support features in a refined package. The last one on our list is the MUBVR touchscreen mirror dash cam. This dash cam replaces your traditional rearview mirror, offering a modern and immersive driving experience. It features full touchscreen mirror display, simultaneous front and rear recording, and wide-angle rear camera visibility that significantly improves rear awareness. The large display makes it easy to view footage and adjust settings without distractions. The mirror design provides a clearer rear view compared to standard mirrors, especially in low-light or rainy conditions. Recording quality remains solid throughout the day, and the rear camera offers excellent visibility while reversing or parking. Installation is straightforward, and the interface feels intuitive even for first-time users. Overall, this dash cam is perfect for drivers who want a clean, modern setup that enhances visibility while still providing reliable front and rear recording. That wraps up our list of the best front and rear dash cams available right now. Each of these models offers a unique balance of video quality, safety features, and ease of use, so you can choose the one that fits your driving style and needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.